problem yale and ya bongari nkarhi lwa loko yi buva ka va yi tirhisa ngara yi kahle a yi ri na tlheipa na tintambula se sweswi ya ri hava muzwa ku ku zeni ku loko thiye o ni vekela ku no pulana ni ti nga ri swi nga endla se vineta ni ku yi pfala mara otherwise nti a yi jabisi jabisi ku ya munhu ku. Hi everyone, welcome back to Heavenly Days, where I talk about the wonderful deeds of Christ. Today I'm continuing to teach you my language, Xitsonga. You know what? I think now you may be ready to have real conversations, right? From your comments and everything, I feel like you guys are ready. So it's a little bit difficult to teach my language. I didn't really think it would be, because I'm trying to reach everyone who's watching. Some people are advanced, some people, you know, are still in the beginner stage. You know, I had a white guy tell me that, you know, he was trying to grasp a few things. It's a little bit difficult, so it's like I'm trying so hard to cover all of you guys, which is why I recommend that down below you let me know what is difficult for you, so that I can cover, you know, most of it. So if you have missed the previous video that I made, you should just, you know, go back to it, because it's like very like beginner. I felt like that was pretty simple, but you know, today we're gonna be making conversations, and because some of you guys said that you knew most of the things that I was teaching you there. Moving on, now we're going into icebreakers. A lot of people that I know learned Xitsonga by cussing. Don't do that. Be kind, be sweet, you know, especially if you don't know the language. How can you learn by cussing first? I mean, like, that's how you get punched in the face, because nobody wants to be cussed at, especially if they don't know you, right? So me getting into a taxi with somebody that I don't know, I always say this, you know, compliment. Give a compliment. It loosens them up. What is in the category of compliments? You can compliment their dress, compliment maybe their suit if it's a guy, compliment their face if they look cute to you, you know, and just say, sasekile, sasekile, you're beautiful. That's for an older person. If you can tell with somebody who is like younger, sasekile, you're beautiful. So in a place where you feel like that person is so beautiful, you would say, sasekile shinene. Sasekile shinene. Shinene means too much, a lot. I love your dress. Rhandza roko ya wena. Roko means dress. Rhandza, I love your dress. Rhandza roko ya wena. Or rhandza baji ra wena. Rhandza bruku ya wena. Rhandza, I love it. You know? And if you were the one receiving that, rhandza roko ya wena, rhandza bruku ra wena, rhandza this and that, or handbag ya wena, you can say khensa, which means thank you. Okay, so then if you are in a relationship with the person, you would say something like this: Ndza rhandza, which means I love you. Ndza rhandza, I love you. For I miss you, you would say tsundzile. Or maybe I'm thinking about you. But you know, with modern Xitsonga, you can say Ndza. We kind of like Tsongalize it. It's not that deep. It's just, you know, whatever it is. We just understand each other like that, right? Ndza sasekile, Umbale kahle, meaning you're well dressed. Umbale kahle. I also want to teach you how to catcall, and only do this for the person that you're in a relationship with. Please don't be, or maybe somebody that you like, you know, don't go around calling people this. It's just, I don't know, it's a little bit aggressive. Something that you would call your love is muranziwa, meaning my love, loved one. Munhu mina, my person. You are my human being, personally. And if you're married, you would say Nkatanga. I just love the sound of that. That is my wife. Nkatanga. That's your person, you know, ring and everything, signed, sealed, delivered, all of that. Nkatanga. Your husband, Nuna, mina. But you know, there are other things that people use that I won't use for this video. I also want to add this in: always say thank you. Xitsonga is a very, you know, respectful culture. We like to respect people. That's how we were like raised, all of us. So it's very important that when somebody say to you sasekile shinene, just say Ndza khensa. You know, very, very important. But anyways, generally it's just a good thing to say, right? Listen, I gotta go. I love you guys and God loves you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Episode 2 is gonna be epic, so do subscribe down below. Bye.